Naman ang sumunod sa kanyang si Miss Universe 1994 Sushmita Sen, magiging judge din ng 65th edition ng pageant si Dayanara Torres, ang Puerto Rican beauty na may pusong Pinoy. Nakatutok si Dano Tingtugo.
Tila hindi tumanda si Miss Universe 1993 Dayanara Torres na balik Pilipinas matapos ang halos isang dekada. Kahit matagal-tagal ding nawala sa bansa, hindi pa rin niya nakalimutang magsalita ng Pilipino.
Don't laugh, please. Pasensya ka na. I'm trying. Masaya akong nakabalik dito sa Pilipinas. Oh my God, it's, you know, this is, really, it feels like home.
Sa ikatlong pagkakataon, magiging judge si Yari sa Miss Universe pageant.
It's fun. It's definitely less nerve-wracking because you're not the one standing on stage. You're only judging, but hopefully, you know, we'll find the perfect girl for the job.
Hindi pa raw nakikita ni Yari ang mga kandidata ng Miss U 2016 at si reigning Miss Universe 2015 Pia Wurtzbach.
I'm looking forward to meeting her for the first time, actually. To the contestants, just be yourself. You know, it's like I said, it is a beauty pageant, but your personality is the one that will show. And that night, it will be magical.
1994 nang ipasa ni Dayanara ang korona kay Miss India Sushmita Sen. Nanatili sa Pilipinas si Yari na minahal ng mga Pinoy at umusbong ang career sa showbiz.
Who do you look forward to meeting when you're here?
When I'm here, just everyone I had the pleasure to work with, you know, from Cesar Montano, you know, Ruby Rodriguez, Martin Rivera, Pops, Ariel, you know, the maneuvers.
Sa kanyang Instagram post noong Disyembre, tila nagpahiwatig si Yari sa kanyang pagbabalik showbiz sa Pilipinas. Kasabay naman ni Yari na dumating kagabi ang kapwa Miss U judge na si Cynthia Bailey ng Real Housewives of Atlanta.
What am I looking for? I'm looking for a beautiful, intelligent, classy young lady to represent Miss Universe.
Dano Tingkong, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.